Hey guys, so now that we're done coding the Choose Your Own Adventure project, I'm going to run it and test how it works with different answers. Okay, so when I run it, the first thing it asks me for is my name. So I'll just enter my name. Now it welcomed me to the game because of this print statement right here, which is great. And then it asked me for my first choice. It says that the road I was walking on came to a dead end and I can turn either left or right. So first I'll say that I want to turn left and I'll enter left. And then it gives me another choice. It says that I've come to a river and I can either walk around it or swim across it. So this time I'll choose to walk. And then it says that I walked a few miles and lost the game. Great. So the way that this code worked was that after it asked me this question and I entered left, this if statement got executed, and these two statements were ignored. So then it asked me whether I wanted to swim or walk, and then because I chose walk, this first if statement got executed as well. But these two statements didn't get executed because I didn't choose to swim and I didn't write anything else. If I would have chosen to swim instead, the computer would have read over this if statement, and since the answer would not have been equal to walk, it would have executed this if statement because the answer would have been equal to swim. And then, instead of saying that I lost the game, it would have said that I won the game. So let's try that out this time. When I run it again, it asks me for my name. And this time, when it asks me to either go left or right, I'll say left again. But then when it asks me to either swim or walk, let's say swim. And this time it prints a different message. I swam and I won the game. That's because it executed this statement. So now let's run it another time, but this time let's choose right. And if we choose right, then this is what's going to be executed. So let's run it, and I'll enter my name. And then when it asks me to go left or right, I'll say right. And now it gives me the three choices that we created over here. Food, fire, or walk. I'll choose food. So then it gives me another two choices. Eat or throw. If I choose eat, then the computer is going to read if answer is equal to eat. And since the answer will be equal to eat, it'll execute this statement. But if I don't choose eat, then it'll look over this and move on to this. And if my answer is equal to throw, then it'll execute this statement. So let's say that I choose eat. Then it says that I won the game. So I hope you understand how this game works. So now let's run it one last time and try another possibility. This time when it asks me to go left or right, I won't write left or right. So I'll enter my name. And now when it asks left or right, I'll just enter a random text. And then it executes this last else statement since it didn't meet this if condition since it was not left, and it didn't meet this if condition because the answer was not right. So it executed this print statement, and as you can see it printed, this answer is invalid. So that's all for this project. I hope you enjoyed it.